Hey guys, it's good to see you. We're going to start with reviewing the adding and subtracting polynomials. So it's from a couple weeks ago. It should hopefully be an easy start to our distance learning since we're not exactly sure how long it's going to last. I'm going to do 2 examples by video, and then you're going to complete the rest of the assignment on your own and then submit it via Google Classroom. Please reach out if you need help. I will have office hours that I'll also post on Google Classroom so that you'll be able to join me in a Google Meets and you'll be able to ask questions, and I can do some examples live if you need it. Alrighty, here we go. This example is from your assignment that's posted in Google Classroom, so you can either print it out, or if you're capable, you can do the assignment directly on your computer screen and resubmit it that way. All right, so if you recall, when we are adding and subtracting polynomials, we first have to look at the symbol in the middle of the 2 polynomials right here, which in this case is a plus sign. So we don't actually have to change anything about how we simplify. Now we just have to focus on combining like terms. For example, the 2x squared, or negative 2x squared, I apologize, and the 3x squared are going to combine to give me x squared. And then the 18x and the negative 8x are going to combine to give me positive 10x. And then last, the constants, positive 15 and negative 10, will combine to give me positive 5. So that will be as simplified as I can make the answer. And that is what I will expect on your work. Please try to show your work. I know a lot of you can do most of this in your head. So if you are doing it in your head, at least write out your answers next to it, and then you can complete the decoder that goes with it. Example number 2 has the negative separating the polynomials. So we're going to want to distribute that negative to all 3 terms in the second term. So we are going to copy down the 6x squared plus 7 that we already have, and then we're going to distribute the negative 10x minus 3x squared minus 2. Now we can go ahead and combine like terms. So 6x squared minus 3x squared is going to give me 3x squared. Positive 7x minus 10x is going to give me negative 3x. And then the constant of negative 2 does not have anything to combine with, so we're just going to bring it down. So our final answer here is 3x squared minus 3x minus 2. Hopefully you remember how to do that. If not, you have notes in your journal. I will also be updating my journal online because I got a little behind on it, so you'll be able to use those notes as well. Please ask if you have any questions. Miss you guys. Bye.